guys. Haven't documented this sucker. I just wanted to come on here real quickly. I know YouTube is a lot faster than like Craigslist or eBay. So I had this hood. I bought this hood on the auction. It looked like it was a good hood, no damage to it or anything. I guess I should probably show you guys the pictures. So when I got it, this side right here was like waved off. I'll post pictures as it was bent. And this fender was like a little messed up somewhere here, or it was down here, yeah. So I bought it for a truck, thinking I'm gonna get a truck, or I can't remember why I bought it. I thought it was a good deal. I thought it was undamaged, blah blah. So anyway, I got it in Maryland. By the time I got it to California, that was like almost, I can't remember, plus fees and taxes with the auction. Ended up being like an extra 15 to 2 grand. But anyway, yeah, I'll post pictures of how it was damaged and what I did. So pretty much, as you can see, I took this panel off and this fender. Let me put it on this grill and I'll show you guys. So as you can see, this was the one that came out the truck. This was broken right here. That's this little corner. This was undamaged. So obviously I had to get a new one of those. And then what took me a little while was I ordered another one, and then it got here and I put it right there. And this sucker was just not aligning. So I was like, man, is the hood that messed up? So then I really thought about it, remembered this sucker is a little tweaked. This other guy shipped me another one, and I put it on and it just went on like a glove. So I replaced that, and then obviously I took off this whole side panel. So I did fix one of these on my Peterbilt. So this piece and this piece are two separate pieces. The outside piece and the inside piece is like the inside skeleton. This sucker is like $800, and the outer skin is like, I want to say another 800 to 1,000. So since mine were both, they're like, it was caved in. So I'll post a picture. So I didn't have time and I didn't want to do it, and the guy said he knew what he was doing, so I just gave it to a guy. He took it apart, unglued them, straightened them out one by one, straightened this piece out, straightened that piece out, fixed the fender, then primered both of them, so he knows what he's doing with the whole paint situation. That's why I decided to not mess with it. So I just took it off, gave it to him, and just reinstalled it. So yeah, like I said, reinstalled the fender, replaced that thing, replaced that. But now I don't know. I don't know if I'll be getting another Peterbilt. But either way, I don't want this hood sitting. So I just want to get it sold in case I decide to move real fast, or I actually get that Volvo. So if anybody you guys know, or you yourselves need one, I mean, shipping won't be an issue. I mean, obviously, not an issue. I mean, if you put on the truck, I mean, obviously there'll be freight charges, but it obviously needs to get painted to your color, to another truck's color. It doesn't need, like I said, by the time I had it, it got really windy one day, and like this wasn't even here when I got it, but that occurred from it fell over because it was so windy, you know. That right there, down there, that was all from the wind. Yeah, it's a 388, 389 short nose. It's not a 389 long hood, it's a 388, 389 short nose. Yeah, I'm looking to get rid of it. Let me know, guys, if you guys are actually serious, or if you guys know somebody, it all can be worked out. Yeah, I'll put my email, will be in the description. So yeah, it's just no headlights. So it's a hood, just no headlights. It needs like one little bar on the grill. I ordered that. I don't know if that'll get here. It's like a $75 piece, so I'm not too worried about that. Yeah, this hood is like, what does it cost? Like 15 grand from Peterbilt, brand new. Obviously, I'm not trying to get 15 grand for it, but open reasonable offers. But I guess we'll see. Yeah. Anyway, just a quick little video here, informational, non-informational.
guess more like an advertisement kind of, yeah. But yeah, anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.